Hello, I'm David M. Chester, founder of the Chester Law Group, an Ohio personal injury law firm with offices across Ohio. Let's discuss the types of financial compensation you may receive if you're injured in an Ohio accident by someone else's carelessness. If you are injured due to someone else's negligence, also known as fault, Ohio law says you are entitled to various types of damages. Medical expenses. The reasonable and necessary medical expenses that you incur as a result of the accident or are reasonably certain to incur in the future. This includes treatments such as hospital care, diagnostic testing, surgery, physical therapy, chiropractic care, and pain management. Many times the insurance company will try to make you accept medical expenses based on what your health insurance pays. However, our attorneys may help you recover the full value of your medical expenses, not the discounted amount that the insurance company would like for you to accept. For example, if your medical bills are $10,000, but Medicaid paid the doctors $1,000 as full payment, the insurance company may argue your medical bills are only $1,000, and so they may only offer you $3,000 to settle the case. Outrageous, but true. Lost wages. You are also entitled to recover any wages, earnings, you lost as a result of your injuries. Wages, commissions, bonuses, and all other earnings are recoverable. Even if you have used disability insurance through your employer, you can still recover the full value of your lost wages. Future loss of earnings. If your injuries have permanently limited your ability to earn in the future, in many instances you can recover the value of your earnings reduction. If the criteria are met, our attorneys will provide the evidence needed to support your claim and make sure you are compensated for your lost earning power over the remainder of your working years. Pain and suffering. You should be compensated for the physical pain, mental anguish, and loss of quality of life that you have suffered because of your injury. This includes future pain and suffering as well. Pain and suffering damages are in addition to, and many times exceed, your medical expenses and lost wages. Loss of full mind and body. Many times an accident can leave permanent injuries. If you have suffered any permanent loss of function or use of your body or mind, you should be reimbursed based on the percentage lost. This is known in the legal and medical community as permanent impairment ratings. This means you are permanently impaired as a result of the accident. Over the years, we have learned that most insurance companies only accept permanent impairment ratings from medical doctors, not chiropractors or physical therapists. As such, if you are permanently impaired, it is important to be documented by a licensed medical doctor. Disfigurement. If your injury has left you with scars or other unsightly marks, you should recover for that disfigurement and the embarrassment associated with it. If you never recover from the disfigurement, such as when you have a permanent scar, you may also have a permanent impairment, discussed earlier. Damage to the marital relationship. A marital relationship can suffer when one spouse has been severely injured. If this occurs, you are entitled to recover for the loss of care, comfort, joy, affection, assistance, and loss or impairment of sexual relations. In addition, in some serious injury cases, the spouse may also have a claim against the party at fault for the loss of consortium they have suffered as a result of the party at fault's carelessness. Death. Wrongful death damages are usually available to the beneficiaries, often the wife, husband, parent, or child, of the deceased person. Damages are not only limited to economic loss and may also include lost earnings, pre-death pain and suffering, and loss of consortium, also known as loss of companionship. Now, for more information on handling your personal injury claim in Ohio, go to chesterlaw.com and request a copy of my free book and video. The free ebook, free video, and indeed the entire website will allow you to gain valuable information. Contact us now